2.5 million migrants care worker in UK. Just got good news. The UK's recent care worker visa updates have sparked major concern among an estimated 2.6 million migrant carers, but there's now a positive development that offers hope. New discussions between trade unions and activists may lead to a fairer system that gives workers more freedom, dignity and protection. Full detailed version available on our website, link in description. In today's update, we unpack the ongoing discussion around the 15-year settlement proposal in the UK, including how trade unions are pushing to influence policy and why removing employer-tied sponsorship has become a key demand among migrant workers. We explore why many migrants feel restricted under the current rules and how lobbying MPs could play a decisive role in shaping the final outcome of these reforms. Let's begin with background. 15-year settlement proposal. A recent Home Office proposal suggests that individuals on the UK care worker visa may need to live in the UK for 15 years before becoming eligible for settled status, a sharp increase from current pathways. Many workers fear longer uncertainty, dependency on employers, and job-related instability. Let's move on to trade union involvement and influence on policy. Unison, one of the UK's most powerful trade unions and a key financial supporter of the Labour Party, has now entered the discussion. Leaders have met with advocates representing migrant carers, pushing for urgent review of settlement conditions and work rights. Because unions heavily influence Labour policy, their support has significant political weight. Next, let's look at proposed reform to remove employer-tied sponsorship. Core proposal under discussion is to shift sponsorship rights away from employers and instead grant the work permit directly to the individual. This matters because it gives workers the freedom to change employers without restriction, removing the need to rely on a single sponsor to stay in the UK and reducing the risk of intimidation, abuse or threats. A system like this is not new. Canada and Ireland already operate similar models successfully, showing that greater mobility and protection for workers can be both practical and effective. Then let's explore how lobbying MPs can influence final outcomes. Unison has pledged to lobby MPs before the policy is finalised in spring. Migrants and supporters are urged to email their MPs using the public link provided. The more voices recorded, the higher the impact. Finally, let's conclude with video conclusion. The coming months could reshape the future of care worker visas in the UK. While challenges remain, ongoing union involvement is an encouraging step toward fairer treatment. Now is the time for workers and allies to take action, raise their voice, and request a sponsorship system that protects dignity and opportunity for all. Our video ends here. If you found this update useful, then please share it with your friends and family on Facebook, WhatsApp and X. See you soon in the next one. Till then, take care.